What's up and good morning, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is about time I bring you guys some positive news on the channel, and that is the old Ford back there. Now, I know we've been alluding to this for years, and I've been on the fence about doing this forever. I've owned this thing for, I think, 3 years now, or over 3 years. But today is finally the day we are taking it to get lifted, baby. Yeah! I am so stoked. You guys don't even understand that. Number one, I finally found a two-wheel drive lift kit for this thing because, yes, it is two-wheel drive. I'm still on the hunt for a four-wheel drive one. I almost had it, but, you know, if you guys saw my Instagram story, you saw how that went. But I'm still on the hunt for four-wheel drive. But in the meantime, since I've owned this for 3 years and haven't found the right four-wheel drive one that is reasonable, by the way, in cost, because, well, you know, we're balling on a budget here. You gotta work with what you got. I'm not gonna spend crazy amount of money on these. Like, I'm not in dire need of one, but I would like to own one for the right price. So I'm still on the hunt, but since we got to work with what we got, we're going to take this thing today down to Preston's to get lifted. We'll let Zach work some of his magic. Oh, and while we're here, check this out. We've got our sweet new lanyards over at workfordapparel.com. We decided we were going to upgrade to a fatter size. So these are now 1 inch. They are all woven. I don't know if it'll focus. No more printed. These things are super high quality with a removable clip as well as a metal clip for your key ring. And because anytime I have a new product like this that I release, I'm going to take a few of them here, as you can see, and I'm going to leave them over at Preston's, and I'll put out a little Instagram post saying, hey, they're here, come get them for free. So if you guys are not already following me on Instagram, I've recommended, it's same name, Dmaxryno on Instagram. Please go give me a follow, and that way you won't miss out on when I do stuff like that. And we've got very little fuel, but I say we risk it. Let's go to Preston's. Well, it looks like we got plenty of room in the shop. I'm just pulling this booger straight on in. Hey, you're catching up to his beard, bro.
How are you gonna leave your truck and not put a mirror on it?
I don't need mirrors. Mirrors are for rookies. I got this. Oh, I see Zach's toolbox over here. I'm just gonna put the truck right next to it. Easy, Zach. Easy, Zach. That's why I drive lifted trucks. Come on. You're stuck? Oh, they got child lock on, bro. They won't let you out.
I told you.
What do you have to do?
Start
it. Bro, you're supposed to Dukes of Hazzard. You're supposed to climb out the window. Come on, Zach. This car's not smarter than you, buddy. You got this. Zach.
It is designed by Chevrolet.
Right. That's what it is smarter than you. So I came to Zach last night with an idea for the wheels and tires. I haven't told you guys the wheel tire setup I wanted to go with yet because
it looks like 16s is the smallest you can put on there.
You don't think we can go 15s? So I really wanted to go 15s on 35s.
That's what I was like. I don't remember how much bigger the braking is on these trucks, and it's definitely bigger.
So you're thinking 16?
If it was 5-lug, 15s fit, but it's 1-ton brakes on it, so.
All right, well then.
16's the smallest you can go.
So let's go. Well, yeah, but who makes a tire for 16s? Not very many. 17s.
17's kind of the run of the mill now.
Well, now I got to jump back up to away from my cool plan. Now I'm gonna look like every other truck. So what are these? These are 17s?
17 by 9.
So this is 17s on 35s. I mean, it looks like a good size. I really wanted to go with the old school look of the 15s on 35s. It's a really small wheel, but apparently to clear the brake rotors, we gotta go at least, I don't know, I guess 16 to 17 is what Zach is saying. I'm not running Swampers. I want a freaking tire that I'm not gonna shoot myself with because I'm so annoyed by. Look at this, guys. We got Zach over here with his Matco tools dealer. This is it. You guys are watching a real drug deal go down right here. This is it. What do we get, Zach? What do we get from the Matco guy? What do we get?
More tools.
You got more tools? Zach, what did I tell you about buying more tools, man?
I can't help it. Well, someday I'll run out of stuff to buy. So.
No, someday you're gonna run out. Well, no, you won't run out of money. They finance everything.
Yeah.
Well, you run out of credit.
No.
No, then you're good.
Seeing as those guys are the only reason I have credit.
All right. So if you guys are wondering what your neighborhood drug dealer looks like, it's that. They're not driving the old hoopties like in the old days. They're driving nice big old trucks. Yeah, what happened, dude? Why do we flip-flop? Is it okay to not be loyal to Snap-on or Matco?
Be loyal to whoever you want to be.
There you go.
And yes, when you cap your credit out, you tend to have
you switch brands.
find another route to get what you need.
There you go. So my original plan was to go with a 15-inch, something very similar to the Mickey Thompson wheel, but I was thinking in black. Now obviously this wheel doesn't come in an 8-lug, but Pro Comp, which I know it's Pro Comp, makes one very, very similar. So I was going to run the 15-inch in black on there with 35-inch tires. And to me, that's like the ideal old school look of really small wheel, big meaty tire, but unfortunately it sounds like that's not gonna be possible. So at that point now we have to step up to 17, which like now you're getting into like the sizes that everybody has, and I wanted it to be a little bit different. It would almost end up looking like this tire to wheel ratio that you can see here. Andy, what are those, dude? Whoa.
Zach bought me new shoes.
You finally upgraded, bro. Out of the 90s or the early 2000s.
Bro, those things were 2007.
Dude, look at, like, no meat to that tongue, dude. Are you gonna be okay?
It's a hard transition, you know. I imagine that's like when meth heads become like senators and stuff, like that's what they have to go through. So it's weird.
Yeah, but hey, never let go of your past.
Zach got brake cleaner on him today.
Ooh.
I want my nuts on his desk. So you ready or what?
Yeah.
Man, your part's sitting here for like 5 days waiting for you.
All right, Randy, let's tear down.
Zach!
Oh, this one like the TV show.
Yeah.
Like all of a sudden, like oh, I hear him.
He needs somebody to work on something. I'm not allowed to touch the tools anymore after what happened with the fire. All right, what do we got? We got Skyjacker 1.
Skyjacker 1.
Skyjacker 2, Skyjacker 3, Skyjacker 4.
There you go. Get rid of that Pro Comp box.
Pro Comp, that's your Pitman arm.
That's my Pitman arm. I need that.
Yeah. And then some chocks. You notice how it's open?
Yeah.
Zach made sure they fit your Ford.
Oh, he put them on his truck?
Yeah, just kind of like.
Nice, nice. I like the way you hold those, Randy. You're really good at that.
You know, this is 99.9% effective.
Nice. What are those?
Those are your rears. Oh, these are the fronts with the reservoirs.
Oh, did he go reservoirs?
You went reservoirs in the front.
Dang, I don't even remember requesting that.
I'm not sure you did.
Okay. Cisco! Let's tear down, buddy! Zach! Let's tear down! Give me the torch. Where's the cutting torch? I've been waiting 3 years for this day, but I've been waiting 3 years. We're probably gonna have to cut a couple bolts off. There's a little rust underneath there. Well, I'm happy to say, guys, we just ordered the wheels and tires. I'm not gonna tell you what they are yet, but they will be coming, I believe tomorrow. So maybe in tomorrow's video, I'll give you guys a wheel and tire review, but I'm excited. We're gonna keep it somewhat classic, but throw in like, I don't know, I guess a little bit of some new My Tire love onto it. What's up, man?
Riley.
Ryan, nice to meet you, man.
Can I get you to sign it?
Yeah.
Just so I can prove I got it from you?
Well, hey, man. Enjoy your new lanyard.
Appreciate you.
Say hi to everybody on YouTube.
How you doing, YouTube?
What's your Instagram? Shout it out.
It's _Riley_Richardson.
There you go. Awesome, brother. Appreciate you coming out.
Appreciate you. Have a good one.
Ooh, look at that droop right there.
All the suspension travels.
That is some long travel setup. She's Capicento. She's old. Yeah. Good Lord. It's not demo day. It's tear down.
Same thing, right?
Kinda. Less sledgehammer. Ooh. Look at this, guys. He lifts my truck for me and he puts tire shine on half of my tire. Just half of the tire. You're the man, Zach.
Salesman's trick. Well, what do I do about the other 3 of my tires? You buy your own bottle and do it yourself.
Yeah, what are we at the freaking...
The gas station?
Yeah.
Used to be the only time you could get that F1. Look at that. Oh, they're shiny. It's like perfect.
Well, polish them all up so I can sell them. All right, Zach, walk us through real quick exactly how this lift kit works. 'Cause I'm guessing it's fairly simple, right? I'm guessing we're just dropping that.
Yeah, the pivot point for this, the beam, gets dropped, and then this pivot point gets dropped.
And then
longer coil,
spring,
longer shock, longer brake lines.
Easy.
Kind of it.
Oh, dude.
Welcome to the beam life.
Let's tear down! Oh, we're kind of almost done. All right. We're going. Sorry, it's my favorite saying.
That.
It's my favorite saying today.
Yelling at me now. For everybody that says his intros are loud, try standing next to the guy.
Hey, but look, check us out. I got you something on your lunchbox. See, I take care of you. C4. All right, here. C4 Off-Road sent you a hat.
Is that the one on the dash in the truck I can't get in now?
Yeah, but I had a hat emergency one day, so I had to use it. So
you're like my girlfriend. Hey, I bought you a shirt, but by the way, I dried it, so it no longer fits you anymore.
So
and yes, stuff does not fit me. I know what you guys are thinking. You're a pretty small guy. Yeah, I get it.
Well, C4 says he's gonna make you a new hat because he's a good guy like that.
He is a good guy.
And I was the jerk that wore your hat. But I had a hat emergency, man. It happens. Got the replacement springs here. There's our size difference. Ish. You know, one thing I gotta commend Zach on is really setting me up with like a nice lounge area over here to watch him work. Thanks, buddy. You need my help yet? Costs more if I help, right? Yep. All right, perfect. I'll stay over here. Who needs those anyway, Zach? They're just for looks.
My truck does just fine.
I don't know if just fine is the right term there. Oh, I get to do something? A little bit. A little bit. A little bit more. Keep going?
Yeah, go down.
All the way down. Look at that. Yeah, certified Ford mechanic.
Certified.
ASE certified.
YouTube certified.
YouTube certified. Hey, if it doesn't work, you just need a bigger hammer. All right, I'm driving it. I'm driving it in. Oh, we got some bolts in the way. Going up. Keep going. Right there. Hold on. Does this officially mean I work on my own truck? I mean, like.
I would say it's already past tense now.
Oh, I've worked on my own truck.
There you go.
There. I work on my truck and Chris's truck.
There you go.
My old truck and Chris's truck. I don't touch the BBB. That's Zach's world right there. I let him deal with that. Whoa, guys. Whoa.
Yeah?
Is that what it takes to be a mechanic?
That's what,
That's what it takes.
Oh, I'm out, dude. I'm out. Never mind. I'm good. I'm good. Zach,
I
can't.
heard you had the gel covered ones.
Zach, I can't help you anymore, dude.
Gel soles, man.
If that's what it takes, I'm good.
Everybody wants a discount.
Shoot, Zach, we're gonna have this thing done in no time. Notice I said we're. We're working on this together now. We're.
Me and my film crew.
It costs more if I work on it with him, but you know.
You should just start coming and filming me, and we can work together now.
All right, that works. All right, well, we got a truck coming up without the suspension.
That's it.
Tear down is done. Can I stop yelling tear down now? No, we're still tear down.
I mean, you can, but
No,
I don't think you're gonna.
All right, if we're still tearing down, then let's tear down. There it is, buddy. Our first new part going on.
New part.
Beam drop bracket.
Super shiny.
Right? Dang, can we like spray paint some stuff black while we're under here?
It.
Make it look like as nice as that?
This area.
Yeah, just a
Ish.
little spray paint. Well, look what the cat drug in. Oh, hey, Chris.
What's up, bud?
Well, I see you brought your GMC. We getting some work done today?
Yeah, some asshole doesn't want to install an intake.
It
My truck slower.
was my install. It wasn't the freaking hot air intake we installed.
No, it's really not.
Oh, all right. He's working, man.
What's up, Chris?
Busy.
How's it going, man?
No, hold on. Zach, be the judge.
Parch on there.
Was it my install or was it Chris running a freaking hot air intake?
I don't know. I'd have to see dyno numbers.
All right, if he needs dyno numbers, that means my install was good.
Yeah.
My install was good, right?
Hey, does it go when you hit the throttle?
Yeah.
Okay, then it does its purpose.
Thank you.
That's the only point. That's the only point.
My install was good. It's got nothing to do with my install, buddy. Sorry. Uh-oh. We're pulling out the big guns now, buddy.
Can't be tight if it's a liquid.
Guessing we got a little bit of a stuck bolt.
I just rivet it so I don't feel like hanging up.
Gotcha.
I was gonna cut him.
There it is. Coming in, fist bump 5. Well, guys, clearly shop's closing. We're getting booted out. Zach, great work, buddy. Great work.
What?
What?
Cannot hear you.
Oh, there was a little loud air hammer.
What?
So, as you guys can see, 3 years in the making, we are finally getting the OBS lifted. Probably, what are we thinking? Tomorrow, if we can find a brake line? We'll see. We'll see. We will see. And we should have the wheels and tires tomorrow, so that'll be cool to show you guys exactly what I decided to go with.
At least so where you can see it.
All right, it'll be on the ground, kind of, maybe, sort of.
It might not stop, but it'll be fine.
All right, that works. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button. That way you do not miss out on any future content. Don't forget to give this video a like, aka a thumbs up. Don't forget to check out workforapparel.com, because if there's anything you want in this life, you gotta go into
Work for it.
You guys are the best.
I know him, thanks. What?
Oh, dude, that just feels so wrong. Give me a roll the outro, Zach.
Roll the outro!
Damn.